Hey, welcome to 4150 East Joy Road in Shelbyville. This house is in on Gun Lake in Shelbyville. Middleville is the other zip code for Gun Lake. This is the big deal with this house here. This is on East Joy Road on a peninsula that's carved out of different channels. And this is on the very end of it. As a matter of fact, there's a channel right here, which is to some people would be a negative. I don't see it as such. This house is just beautiful. It's got a great lot. It's a big lot. For Gun Lake, this is a huge lot. And this is a pretty good example of what you're looking for in Gun Lake frontage that's for sale right now. Gun Lake Homes for Sale. Because this has some of the features that everybody wants. It's got sandy beach frontage. And I'd have to look on the survey to see how much they have, but it's quite a bit. And it faces the sunset, which is just unbelievable out here. And you're going to get a sunrise as well. It's unbelievable. You get both of those on the same lake. And this is a big lake. It's 2,500 acres. Gun Lake is huge. It's really big. And this is a sunroom off the back. They do Airbnb this, so if you look outside, little beach area, fire pit, kayaks, some cement, beautiful swimming, shallow, easy to put your boat right there. The nearest public boat launch is right around the corner, right over here. Look at these countertops. Brand new, quartz, beautiful sink in the middle, bar sink, great kitchen. This house is clean. Oh, is this house clean? And they do very well as far as guests. Laundry room is very standard color. Don't make fun of the color because that is the color for a house on a lake, believe me. Good dining areas. Nice sink, glass wash station, recessed appliances, new cabinets, fresh and clean. Another bedroom color that you wouldn't pick for a house if it wasn't on water. Nice bathroom, retro, but modern. Very nice. And did the mini sink there. That's just one of two bathrooms. Another bedroom here. There you go. So there's two on the main floor. There's two more and another bathroom upstairs. The two bedrooms upstairs have superior views. We're going to go up there next. No basements for the most part around this lake. Just the water table's right there, literally. And it's all sand. So drainage is not an issue on this house. You don't have water problems with water. You're above the lake level. The lake level is maintained with a dam on Gun Lake. Great bait fishing, great bait station right around the corner here. A great hardware store. Gillette's hardware. Big closets. Oh, before I show you the view. Enormous closets. You can make this bedroom bigger if you wanted to. There's that channel. Let's see if I can get a shot of that. Kayaks. That leads to some inner channels in there where there's some amazing fishing. I used to live there about a year ago. Look at that view. Okay, hold still a second. That's what you're paying for right there. I'll show you the other one. Okay, we're getting on 4 minutes here, so that's about the end of this video. Here's a bathroom. This one's very nice. All new shower, glass, all new, beautiful cabinets. Even has some hand pulls. Beautiful, amazing view from up here again. Sunrise, sunset. Look at this. See all kinds of swans. Catch big fish out here. Walleye in this lake. Beautiful. Big closet in that one too. So that's this house. 3150 East Joy. I literally live around the corner from this house. That's why I'm doing this. And this is a beautiful house. Perfect example of what you can expect for lake frontage on Gun Lake in Shelbyville. It's also Middleville zip code if you look it up on the map. What a great kitchen. The amenities are just beautiful. And the view is outstanding. Like I said, the only thing that you might not think you're going to enjoy is having that channel out there. Because you got boats coming back and forth. But you're going to have that on lakes. But that's what you got. I could wake up to that. I just moved. I just moved somewhere else on this lake, so I can't do it again. I'm done with that for now. So thanks for stopping by. My name is Clint Maki. I sell lakefront properties and log homes in Michigan, and I've been doing it for a long time. I'm glad you stopped by. My phone number is 616-340-2722. Thanks for stopping by.